Daily English Talks.
English conversation. Ordering breakfast at a cafe.
Wow, this cafe looks really cozy. And I love how the morning sunlight comes through the big windows so softly.
Yeah, it feels really peaceful here, and the smell of fresh coffee makes it even better.
I'm actually pretty hungry, so I'm glad we decided to come here for breakfast.
Same here. I skipped dinner last night because I was too tired, so I'm starving now.
Let's take a look at the menu. It seems like they have a lot of options.
I see pancakes, waffles, omelets, sandwiches, and even some smoothies.
Everything sounds good, but I think I'm in the mood for something warm and sweet.
If that's the case, the pancakes with honey and fruit look perfect.
That actually does sound delicious. I might go with that.
I'm thinking about getting an omelet because I need something filling this morning.
Do you want the cheese omelet or the one with vegetables?
Probably the one with vegetables because I'm trying to eat healthier.
That's a good choice. I should probably do the same, but I can't resist sweet breakfast food.
No worries. It's okay to enjoy sweet things sometimes, especially in the morning.
True, breakfast is the best time for a small treat.
Oh, look, the waiter is coming. I think we're ready to order.
Yes, let's order before I change my mind again.
Good morning. Are you both ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Good morning. Yes, I think we're ready.
Yeah, we're all set.
Great! What would you like to have today?
I'd like the pancake breakfast with honey, fresh fruit, and a small side of yogurt, please.
That sounds wonderful. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes. Could I have an iced latte with a little bit of vanilla syrup?
Of course. Iced latte with vanilla. Got it.
And for me, I'll have the vegetable omelet with whole grain toast, please.
Sure thing. And what would you like to drink?
I'll take a hot cappuccino, no sugar.
Perfect. Anything else for either of you?
No, that should be all for now. Thank you.
Yes, that's everything. Thanks.
Great. I'll bring your drinks out first, and the food will be ready shortly.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
I'm really excited for the pancakes. I haven't had a good breakfast like this in a while.
Same. I've been eating quick snacks in the morning, so this is a nice change.
Breakfast cafes are always my favorite because they make the morning feel special.
Yeah, especially when the place has calm music and nice lighting like this one.
And the decorations are so cute. I love the little plants on every table.
It really makes the place feel fresh and welcoming.
Oh, here come our drinks. That was fast.
Wow, the cappuccino looks amazing. The foam is perfect.
And my iced latte smells so good. I love the scent of vanilla in the morning.
Let's taste them and see if they're as good as they look.
This is really smooth and sweet. Exactly how I like it.
My cappuccino is great. Strong flavor, but really balanced.
I'm glad we came here. This place might become my new favorite cafe.
I agree. We should definitely come back again.
Oh, I think our food is coming now.
Yes, I see the waiter walking toward us.
Here you go. Pancakes with fruit and yogurt for you.
Thank you. It looks amazing.
And the vegetable omelet with toast for you.
Thanks. It looks perfect.
The pancakes are so fluffy, and the honey is just the right amount of sweet.
And my omelet is cooked really well. The vegetables taste very fresh.
I think we made the perfect breakfast choices today.
Absolutely. This was exactly what I needed this morning.
Same here. Starting the day with good food and good company always feels great.
I couldn't agree more. This is a great way to begin the day.